Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is string operations and format specifiers. This is a series of videos on Python programming for beginners. And for more videos, you can visit my channel Coder's Companion or click on my playlist links. Video links are also given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. These are the subtopics in working with string. In this video, I am going to cover the first two topics, string operations and format specifiers. Let's begin with string operations. Listed here are some important string operations: string concatenation, string repeat, string reassign, string iteration. String concatenation. Joining two or more strings into a single one is called concatenation. The plus operator does the concatenation in Python. We already saw that plus operator is used for adding two numbers. For example, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, because 4 and 6 are numbers. But if both operands are string, then it will concatenate the string. Here 4 and 6 are enclosed in quotes, so both are string, and the output is 4, 6 enclosed in quotes. Python will interpret based on the data type of the operands, whether to add it or concatenate. To use plus operators, both the operands must be either numbers or strings. We cannot use plus operator with the combination of number and a string. Here 4 is an integer and 6 is string. This operation is invalid. Open Python interactive shell. Let's create two string type variables, x is equal to hello and y is equal to world. X plus y is equal to hello world. Let's create two integer type variables, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 6. Now x plus y is equal to 10, because both are integer type. Now let's create two string type variables, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 6, both in single quotes. X plus y will be 4, 6. I am creating x is equal to 4, an integer type, and y is equal to 6, a string type. Now x plus y will throw the type error, because a string type cannot be concatenated with a number. Simply writing two string literals together also concatenates them. Here I haven't used plus operator, still both strings are concatenated. If we want to concatenate strings in different lines, we can use parentheses like this example. String repeat. To repeat the string for a given number of times, the operator asterisk is used. For string repetition, one of the operands must be an integer and the other must be a string. Here the string hi is repeated for 5 times and the string hello is repeated for 3 times. String reassign. As we know that string is a sequence of characters and string is immutable type, so we cannot add, delete or edit characters in string. But we can simply reassign different strings to the same name. Here first I assign the string Python to the variable txt. And in second line I am reassigning Java to txt. I am not updating the string, but I am just reassigning a different string to the same variable. We can also delete the string entirely using the keyword del. Open Python interactive shell. I am using a string literal hello and I want to repeat this string for 5 times. Simply use the asterisk operator hello asterisk 5 or 5 asterisk hello. Both will work. String is immutable type, and if you perform operations like adding, updating or deleting characters from a string, it will throw error. Let's try it. I am trying to add a character to the variable txt. This will throw error. Now I am updating a character to the variable txt. This is also not allowed. Let's try deleting a character from the string. This will also throw error. Here I am assigning a string literal Python program to a variable txt. Now I am reassigning another string literal hello world to the same variable. The variable is not updated, rather reassigned a different value. I cannot delete a character from the variable, but I can delete the entire variable. Now I deleted the variable. This print statement will throw error because the variable does not exist. String iteration. We can iterate over characters in string using loops. I have explained in detail about looping statements in past videos. Here I am creating a string variable str_var is equal to Python. Now let's iterate over each characters in string using for loop. Format specifiers. Strings in Python have a unique built-in operation that can be accessed with the percentage operator. This lets you do simple positional formatting very easily. This type of format specifier is inherited from C language. Here are some basic format specifiers. %s for string, %d for integers, %f for floating point, %.nf for floating point. Here n denotes fixed number of digits and %x is for hexadecimal integer. We can use both lowercase and uppercase x. In a string, a format specifier is a placeholder which defines the placement of a value and also defines what type of value to be replaced. Here inside the string, I am using two format specifiers, %s and %d. And I am passing two values, value 1 and value 2, enclosed in parentheses separated by comma. A percentage symbol is used to concatenate values and string. %s will be replaced by value 1 and %d will be replaced by value 2. And the data type of value 1 must be a string type and data type of value 2 must be an integer type. Let's see this with an example. Here I am creating a variable of string type name is equal to Bob, and in the print statement I am using hello %s followed by a percentage symbol and name enclosed in parentheses. In output, %s will be replaced by name, so it prints hello Bob. If we are passing single value, then parenthesis around the value is optional. Now let's create two variables, name is equal to Bob, a string type, and age is equal to 30, an integer type variable. In the print statement, I am using %s is %d years old. In the output, %s will be replaced by name and %d will be replaced by age. So the output is Bob is 30 years old. In this example, I am having two variables, name is equal to John, a string type, and score is equal to 78.4, a float type variable. In the string, I am using two format specifiers, %s and %.2f. %s will be replaced by name and %.2f will be replaced by score. %.2f means it will have 2 digits after decimal point. So the output will be John scored 78.40 marks. Let's use %s format specifier with spacing. If I simply use %s in the print statement, it will print value, let's say John, without leaving any space. But if I add an integer to the format specifier, for example, %10s is my format specifier, it will leave 10 minus 4 is equal to 6 spaces towards left side and 4 spaces for the letter John. We can also use negative numbers, for example, %-10s. If negative integer is used, it leaves spaces towards right side. Let's see this with an example. Here in this print statement, I used %-15s for the value John and %s for Danny, %10s for Emily. Length of John is 4, so it will leave 15 minus 4 is equal to 11 spaces right side. And length of Danny is 5. It will not leave spaces because the format specifier is %s. Length of Emily is 5, so it leaves 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 spaces left side. Let's use format specifier in Python interactive shell. Name is equal to Bob. I am using %s here and concatenating name using % symbol, and the output is hello Bob. Let's create another variable. Age is equal to 30. Print %s is %d years old. I am mapping %s with the name and %d with age, and the output is Bob is 30 years old. Let's create two variables. Name is equal to John, a string type. Score is equal to 78.4, a float type variable. Here %s is mapped with the name and %.2f is mapped with score. And the output is John scored 78.40 marks. Let's use format specifiers with spaces. Here I am using %-15s for John and %s for Danny and %10s for Emily. And in the output there are 11 spaces after John and 5 spaces before Emily. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share the link to your friends, and for any questions and comments, feel free to post it in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. See you in next video.